You're going to lie on your back and you're going to place the foam roller just midway up your back. You don't turn the foam roller lower back, just midway up to the shoulders. Now you're going to cross your arms. This will take your shoulder blades out the way, so you're working directly on the soft tissue of the upper back. You're going to lift your hips, and then you're just going to roll that foam roller up and down your back, nice and gently and controlled. Just softening up the muscles around the spine. Once you've done that for 20 or 30 seconds, then you can start to put a little bit of extension through the spine, okay? So you're going to go back to midway down your back. You're then going to drop your hips and extend your upper body over the foam roller. You're going to come out of that, you're going to lift your hips, you're going to roll down just another inch, drop your hips, extend over, bring your head backwards. Okay, and again, so lift your hips, roll down a bit, perfect, drop your hips, extend over, and to increase the stretch, you can actually extend your arms back over the top, and that will increase the stretch and the extension in the upper back.